is another question. You that's looking at me, you need to find x. You say, you are who? You are meant to find x. These are the kind of question that makes some students say, I told my father I don't like maths. He's forcing me to do engineering. I'm telling you, that engineering, you must do it. You must do that engineering course. Okay? What you should know, irrespective of how complex the question is, don't panic. Just apply the rules. Apply what? The rules. As long as you understand the rules, irrespective of how giant the Goliath is, you come down. You are David with the rules of the game. This is a giant. It will mellow. Let me tell you something. As you can see in this place now, it looks complex. But what I'm seeing here is this guy, Mr. 3, is carrying too much load. One day, he started protesting. My neck. You want to kill me? You want to kill me? You thought I am not human being? You want to kill me? You, as a mathematician, you need to intervene. Let the poor breathe. You have that responsibility. Now, the responsibility is to move this 3 to the other side to carry 2. At least you are complaining that this is too much. Go and carry 2. That is what? Converting logarithm to indices. So therefore, these guys will come down. You have this. Okay? This has gone on to carry 2. And you agree with me, this is 3 times 3, which is what? 9. Remember, we have treated all this. I'm just trying to use it as revision. Now, this 7 has no body with it. This 9 has no body with it. That is, there's no alphabet, nothing. So what we're going to do, because we are going toward this x, we are looking for x. This guy need to go to the other side and meet his friend without anything, because birds of the same feathers, they flock together. Go and meet your guy on the other side. If you refuse to go, there's issue. We call police for you. You go to the other side and ask. Remember, if you have a number like this, there's plus here. We don't put it because it's the first. But if it is minus, you must put the minus. It's a must. So we know that there's plus here. Okay? And one thing you must know, which I believe you already know. If this guy is going to the other side now, it will be minus. This plus that is here becomes minus. That is 9 minus 7. If you want to follow standard, you simply say, subtract 7 from both sides. But some students don't want to hear that too. Okay? It goes to the other side. This becomes what? 2. Let me just do it straight. 2. You know what happened now? Move this to this side. 2. Okay? Again, I'm seeing log this to the base of 4. 4 started complaining. Since nobody is carrying me, I'm tired too. I'm also tired. I said, oh, no problem. Go and meet your friend. Go and carry 2. You are Mr. Carrier, but you must carry somebody. So this guy will come down too. Okay? That is to say, 4 times 4, 16. Remember that this one now has nobody too. This one has nobody. He needs to go and meet his friends too. So let me just come here and say 16. This coming here, okay, let me just do it in a way that you understand. Let me not be lazy, because I want to dodge writing too much. So I'm going to come here now to say 13 plus log this to the base of 2 equals to this. Now, you need to go and meet this guy. That is 16 minus 13. So that these other guys can be alone because you don't have business here. So this minus this will give us what? 3. So now we have this. 2 has started complaining. You go. All of you want to go, right? Go and meet your friend. Okay, carry that one. This becomes what? 2 times 2 times 2 in 3 places. That is what? 8. Now this is here. Now what do? S we are looking for. Because we are looking for S, go and meet your friend without X. This plus becomes minus. That is 8 minus 4. S is equals to 4. This is the answer. Okay? As you can see, we started apply all the rules that we understand. Then we arrive at the answer. So, math is easy if you don't forget the rules. But if you forget the rules, I'm telling you, it's not go easy. Thank you.